Oh! Oh! Hi vlog! So today, we're going to visit 12 Gravitas practice room. Come on, let's join. Oh my god! Wow, it's the champion room. Look. Look, their cell phone. So it's fully paid already. Let's ask on, are you mad right now?
I'm tired.
So I'll be the happy virus. Smile. Nag-smile siya. So,
Si Kimi absent.
that's our mentor. That's Okay, so right now there's no music, but Sean is the rhythm of Gravitas. Hi, Sean. Okay, next. As you can see, there are now pyramids in the dance. This shows the social hierarchy in the Philippines, and we should be careful of who we vote. Hi, Kamala.
What can you say about Donald Trump winning?
Wait, you're the cameraman. Shut up.
Shut up.
Oh, here's my girlfriend. Hi. Focus. Focus. Let's move sa next side. Okay, let's move sa next side. So, this is now the sleeping lounge. So, to wake them up, kick them. Sorry lang, nabubulan sa... So, they are so tired. What happened? Let's interview Josh, my favorite classmate besides Jay. I know, and Dan, my favorite boy classmate besides Dan and Jay.
Hello po. Good afternoon. I'm very tired. So like that.
What do you think of my new glasses?
Pagod.
Yes.
Okay, so tamis na. Actually,
See? Look at the camera.
it's good, very good. Ang ngayon siya.
Wait,
Dati ka mo. Ikaw ang dito.
Guys, let's sleep, Dada. Let's sleep so that we will grow tall. I'm 5'6" by the way.
We go up.
Bye, vlog. Check the videos, guys. So, currently, the yapper is yapping, but, hi. So, anyway. Paano hindi pwede ma-switch? Nga like, oh no. Okay, let's interview some people. Okay,
Bit nakahapoy ko.
May nakapoy, hindi daw asthmatic ka ha?
Ano?
Asthmatic ka ha?
Oo, God.
Hindi ka asthmatic bala.
Yung problem ko ay asthma.
Hindi, ada pa ito ka. Dapat nakawala bala. Gusto ko makita naman, Jay. Hi guys, this is the...
Ma?
Papasugat sa kung napasugat. So, siya, hindi ko sa mayaman, yung mga friend. So, kung may anything ka mo, kailangan ng kwarta. Go, let's start. Jin, di mo nisagad. Huwag mo ni ganda. Tama na. Araw ba? Araw ba? Pinalagyan ka ba? Araw ay. Isa ko na lang kay Jai, wala.
Say that Donald Trump won over Kamala Harris. Go.
Congratulations, and although you're not my bet,
Say that Kamala Harris won. She did not win. And Donald Trump did.
well, I can say that first of all, congratulations to the newly re-elected president.
Do you support?
I don't necessarily agree with his morals, but I do somehow support some of his or agree with his policies, like cutting down the cost of necessary needs. But I do hope that the Philippines and US will have a stronger relationship, and watch out for my news article coming on Spring PH. Start.
Ikaw, Ben? But
So this is my friend Jay. Look. He has problems in life. You know what, guys? Because he has utang in the government. So legally I don't see him because many people are trying to find him. But like here it is. Oh look. Well, he is single, but that will be in our podcast. Special guest.
Cold. Hot. Tulog to na.
Ay, wait.
Hi,
hi,
guys.
vlog.
Nag-vlog ka na ni.
Oo, vlog ka na ni. Mga next year ni Look, we're so good looking. Even if we're haggard.
Ito di agirata iba siya. Honor sa
Masay hi ta. Hi to the vlog.
Hi, vlog!
She will edit the vlog.
Yes!
Dil, say hi to the vlog. Hi. Hi.
Guys, issue-1 ko ang vlogger. Kailaw, ay patasan niya.
No, delete. Oh no.
Lakat, pakilit.
Ay, ano? Ay, sorry. Hi, boys. So, rate the dance of me and Jay.
I think Jay, I rate it a 3 out of 10.
Oh no.
And then Gab, 10 out of 10.
See, I'm the better friend. I'm the more talented. Oh, no, makita yung matura, no.
Try that.
Tapos sa training. Gabi na kaya.
Ano ba?
Sa din.
Sa kay Bert, ito.
Makakommute. Makarpool.
Good luck.
Galang. Makarpool. Ay, same na kami route ni Bird.
Sila sa SM, pumunod ko naman.
Say bye, guys. Angeline, Dale, Angeline. Say bye. Yoga. Oh, nanagitip may kapuli ba?
Sila ni Abby.
Anong
Kennedy.
Wait lang, may nabilin mo. Ano ka... Tingala ko, may nabilin. Ah, naglo. Wait lang. Ang ako na bag?
Wag na.
Ay, gagi. Tingala ko ay... Wait lang. Kuha ko lang bag ko. Ako na bag.
Yung vlog mo, Mar.
Ang bawa, wala ko na bag. Ang bawa.
Oh my God, guys, I left my bag.
Sabi ko.
At least hindi na wallet. Nag-approve.
Ang bawa. Ah, nga wala di sang wala sang may ugat na ako. Di ba bugat ako wala subo. Hindi kaya sabi ko may black nga to. Sabi ko ako di ko ginkuha ko. Tapos sabi ko hindi mo na ako. Yes. Why, ito ni ID, boss, yung sapatos.
Gakalipat. Kaya may mga tubig, mga cellphone, mga wallet.
Ay, damo-damo, ginadala.
Saka lang, simdala, kaya Perry.
Wait lang, may kabadminton pa. Check ko lang.
Check
Check. Check ta. Wait.
Malis, okay. Ha? Hindi na ito mag-celebrate.
Hindi ko parang natulog.